Hey students, we've been studying singular possessive nouns. In fact, yesterday we went as far as to create brand new sentences, limiting words to create a singular possessive noun. Today, it's time for a quiz. 8-question quiz, and the answers will be provided at the end of this video. Let's start with number 1. The directions say mark the letter of the word that completes each sentence. A blank job was to cut down trees. Select your choice, A, B, C, or D, now. Number 2. A blank long journey started in the forest. Select A, B, C, or D. Which one is the correct singular possessive noun now? Again, these answers will be provided at the end of the video. Number 3. Cut logs floated on the blank current. A, B, C, or D. Now that you've selected for 3, let's move on to 4. Blank trees floated south to Iowa. A, B, C, or D. Select your response now. 5. The blank end was at a sawmill. Which is the correct form of journeys? A, B, C, or D? Select one now. 6. The logs became wood for blank cities. Which is the correct form of Americas? A, B, C, or D? 7. In time, blank supply of trees ran out. Which is the correct form of natures? A, B, C, or D? And finally, number 8. The blank Great North woods were gone. Which of these is the correct form of Midwest? A, B, C, or D? Select your responses now. Before we go over the answers to this quiz, let's take a look. Singular possessive nouns. One person, place, or thing that takes ownership. A possessive noun shows ownership. A singular possessive noun shows that one person, place, or thing, or idea owns something or has something. And the way you show possession of a singular noun is by adding an apostrophe and then the letter S. So for example, if you had the horse had a mane that was thick and brown, and you wanted to make it the horse's mane was thick and brown, to show ownership you would need an apostrophe S. Which means on today's quiz, I'm hoping you selected every single one that had an apostrophe S with it. I know that almost seems like a trick, but it's really not. Lumberjacks with an apostrophe S was correct for number 1. Logs, L-O-G, apostrophe S for 2. 3, the correct form of rivers was R-I-V-E-R, apostrophe S. To show ownership for Minnesota is spell out the word Minnesota and add an apostrophe S. The correct form of journey was D, apostrophe S. The correct form of America was D, apostrophe S. The correct form of nature was adding the apostrophe S. And the correct form of Midwest was adding the apostrophe S. Really, quite simple, but there can be some confusion. I just needed you to know the difference between singular possessive before we get into plural possessive in the near future. Thanks.